Hi everyone, my name is Rosalind Streeter. Welcome to the Journey of Vision, where you will soon learn it's just so much easier with God. All right, you guys, come on, let's chat. Okay, guys, I'm back with part 2. God said, choose me. This is related to the fours. Are you seeing fours, right? Go to God with this message. Please go back and watch part 1 for great understanding. Part 2, here we go. I'm too taking you higher in this season. This is your warning. If you choose to do what I've instructed, then so be it. Your reward is great. Things will happen so fast for you. Intended by me, intentional. I will see it that the hand of God rests on you for this and your next season. Nothing will get in your way. You shall ask and you shall receive. But this is also twofold. So what does he mean by that? And that's coming up on part 3. What does he mean if you don't choose me? What's going to happen? What is going to happen? My goodness, but if you choose me, he said everything is going to happen so fast for you. Come on, you guys. All the suffering, right, on this journey, everything that we have to endure, Father God, for me and my house, we will serve you, Lord, and you alone. Go back and watch part 2, you guys, for great understanding. Congratulations if you choose the Father. Your reward is going to be great. You are going higher and quickly. All right, so part 3, you know, is already coming up. And just know, we love you. Bye.